The festive season is upon us, and Christmas Tree Jamaica is at the heart of the celebration. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we take you on a journey to the farm.
On this farm, it's not snow, but sunshine that greets one Christmas tree farmer as he prepares to bring a slice of tradition into homes across the island. It's a legacy that Basil Edwards, CEO of Christmas Tree JA, says spans generations.
My father was a farmer, my grandfather was a farmer. So by planting things, each time we try different thing.
However, it's a Christmas tree farming that has remained the crown jewel, generating the most revenue for over 40 years. How much tree you started out with?
Well, probably I started out with 25 or whatsoever, 50 going up,
And how much you have now?
Well, probably about 1 million trees right now. Because I have all over, I have trees all over, about 6 different plots of trees I have. I lose a portion to fire, sometimes about 2006.
And losses due to fire hasn't been the only thorn. Increased competition in the market and the journey to get to the farm isn't merry.
In 2016, I was diagnosed with cancer, prostate. And I do 2 surgeries.
Since then, he hasn't been able to tend to the farm as needed, and that too has significantly impacted the business output. While his son manages the business side with help of at least 4 others, he's still wondering if he can meet the demand for this Christmas as trees are delivered across the island.
Well, I used to sell probably up to even say 700 trees for a year, about say 600 trees. You might cut 700, but you lose some along the way.
Despite this, his joy remains unshaken. Selling trees as tall as 10 feet, he has no regrets. So now he's
thinking of putting more so that I can invite people to come to the farm, and after coming to the farm, you can choose the tree that you want.
And as with most of us, he too has a Christmas wish.
If there was a way that we could, preserve it, find a way that you could preserve it so that it could, probably we could have partnered with some government or some agents where we can really grow it as and export it.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.